guys, Mike, Custom Cruisers. Okay, we're getting on with this wiring. We've got Deutsch plugs in. This is your right hand switch, your left hand. We've now got Deutsch plugs in here for indicators at the rear. These will obviously all go out the way. We've got red covered wires here. We've got all the brake light, the horn wires in. So all this, when it's all tidied up, will look amazing. These are the wires for the ignition. We got these going up to the speedo and the digital, digital gauge and all that. And this is using a Thunderheart micro harness. This is using the Thunderheart micro harness, which is amazing. Okay, this chopper was an absolute bag of shit to wiring. Give you an example of some of it is in there. This system is all done with one little box, which we've mounted under there. Okay, it's got a 36-pin Delphi plug on it as well. Just got to basically, this is your light for the regulator back, but cracking bit of kit. These are all going to be sheathed and obviously done properly in the wrap, and all ready to go. If you're interested in any awesome stuff, give us a bell, 01773 825 666, customcruisers.com, new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.